We are leaving Lima and going to Paracas. About a 3-hour bus ride, and we'll get to see the sea lions. We made it here to Paracas. It's about a 3.5-hour bus from Lima, and it looks like a nice little town. We get a beautiful sunset for when we got here. Today we're going on a boat tour to see pelicans, sea lions, and hopefully penguins.
Definitely penguins.
Hopefully penguins.
Definitely.
They opened the port a bit late, so now it's super busy with every tour. Finally going in, I think. Waited for 3 hours to finally get in line. About $10 to take a boat. Waited for hours, but we got to see penguins, which really excited me.